Okay, so these last few, we've already had chapters on them, so I'll quickly read some of them. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental, we all know what that is now. It's the study of, let's just read it. Fundamental analysis involves assessing the economic well-being of a country, by extension, the currency. It does not take into consideration currency price movements, because currency price movements is technical analysis. Rather, fundamental Forex traders will use data points to determine the strength of a particular currency. We use Forex economic calendars to research upcoming news events on our chart. So I taught you about how we can Google or use your favorite Forex calendar. We also have, news events, news events right here showing on our charts. We combine that with, if you go to Forex Factory, or whoever your most favorite Forex calendar is, you can just click on here and it'll tell you more information about the news event, the history of the news, and based on what they forecast and what the actual number is, it'll tell you here actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. And if it's good, it'll go up. If it's bad, it'll go down, and vice versa. We already had a chapter on this. You already know all this. Let's go back to the next one. Technical analysis. Well, technical analysis, we love that, right? Technical analysis is what all of us traders do. We, mark up these patterns on the charts. We look at the EMAs. We look at, what market session we're in, volatility. We look at, the DXY, the dollar index, and we base trades based on what we see. And this is technical analysis. And why technical analysis comes true is because there's millions of traders just like me and you trading the charts, marking up the charts the same way. And we all together influence price direction. And but keep in mind that the banks, they control the big swings on the higher time frames. We don't care about that. We just want to jump on the trend when we see a trend, like the trend that I'm on right now, and all of us students are on right now that are watching and who are part of the student group. This is an exciting time right now. We just broke another level. I love marking up charts. So that is technical analysis. Currency pair. Well, a currency pair is a price quote of the exchange rate for two different currencies traded in FX markets. When an order is placed for a currency pair, the first listed currency, or the base currency, so USD versus US CAD, the base currency is the first one. So remember that. Base currency is bought while the second currency in a pair or quoted currency is sold. So when you're buying one currency, you're selling the other. So when you see USD CAD, it means one USD bought is worth how much Canadian dollars. So right now, about one USD is worth 1.31 Canadian dollar. And lot. So what is a lot? A lot, it's also trade size. When we're placing new orders, it's all about the volume. Volume is also lot size. We use that interchangeably. On MetaTrader 4, it says volume, but it's lot size. And let's go back to the sheet here. So a lot is also known as a trade size. A standard one lot is equivalent to 100,000 units of the base currency in a Forex trade. Historically, spot Forex has only been traded in particular lots of 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, but most recently, however, standard lot size are available for Forex traders because there's lots of traders coming in. They don't want to trade huge amounts like the banks do. We want to trade smaller sizes. So beginner traders will place trades with a lot size of 0.01. 0.01 lots represents a position size that is equal to 1,000 units of the base currency. So 1 lot is a large trade. Beginners, we stick to 0.01 lots. Okay, so that's it for Forex terms. I'm going to make this document a download. I want you guys to download it, print it out, read it over a few times. You can refer to it anytime that you need a refresher on some information or something you're seeing on the charts, or something in your mind you remember but you kind of forgot. This is always a great reference document you're going to have. And also remember, like I said, anything you don't ever understand or you want more information, do what I do, hit Google. There's lots of information out there. Take everything in trading as an opportunity to do some research, educate yourself, and it's really going to benefit you in the long run because you're going to be an even smarter and wiser trader. And that's all I want for you, to be a smart, wise trader that makes good decisions and has great risk management. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon.